I just came back.
Is dead. I'm going to
from
cry.
watching Black Panther. Just gonna be setting up everything.
It's lit.
It's literally what time it is 1 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna be giving you guys reviews. We just came back in from watching Black Panther. It teaches a lot, guys. If you guys don't go watch it,
it's a lit movie.
If you guys don't go watch it,
Jenny, it touched me.
If you guys don't go watch it, makeup obviously. I might recreate this look again, but yeah. But if you guys don't go watch it, then some people were there because it's just a Marvel thing. But if you're black, or if you want to know your history, or even if you're white and you want to know, like, history is rich, it's powerful, it's not that typical Marvel film, it's not that typical black people film, it's not that typical whatchamacallit, like, it's not that typical film that you could just easily be like, okay, boom, I'm watching it and this is my thoughts and that. No, it teaches a lot. It's not what you expect. So it teaches a lesson. If you don't learn the lesson, then it's just like, what's the point in going? People expected more, but I didn't expect more. It was a life change. I know that I was royalty. I just came out ensuring that my crown was still there. So, and it just makes me these things is the reason why I created Circle of Life and Queen Code. Like, what? Them girls there, them warriors, what? Atia? Nah. You guys have to watch it. But yeah, obviously I'm going to be back, and then obviously I'll give you guys opinion about, everyone's going to say their point about it. But yeah, go watch it. Go watch it. Sophie.
Up like this. And it's like, well, I live in Brooklyn, I'm African, I'm around a whole bunch of Caribbeans and American people, none of us are white. So I'm doing what I know and what I see. This is my life, this is my reality. But you're going to these places and they're telling you you're not enough. Essentially, I took it personally, like, all right, so I'm not enough for, you know, for me, and the people that look like me are not enough to get big in life, like a soulful space. And I think no matter what we are, we all have spirits, we all have souls, we all have that. No matter what it looks like on the outside. You know, and I know that if I'm feeling like this, there's mad other people that's feeling just the way I'm feeling. And in reality, from the aftermath of it, clearly, you know, we're all here. And I'm excited to be able to celebrate people who look, sound, feel, and hair look like mine. It's just so fun. So.
There's not much that you see that every day. As well. You see like top models with it. So it's like, everybody's important. Everybody. So everyone's vibrant, colorful, and everyone we shoot has their own story. So that's what makes it so powerful, so magical.
Thank you.
Where's the next question coming from in the room? Oh, there's a question outside.
Hi, so I live in New York as well, but I'm Jamaican. So my question is actually twofold. You had challenges in New York, and the first question on that is, why do you think that you have a challenge in New York? Because it's diverse, but at the same time it's kind of segregated. And then the second question is, since you've seen, I guess, more success here in New York or in the UK, how do you plan to scale this?
Nice.
Well, if you ask Joey and anybody who's around me, because I'm so lucky enough that both my parents, their siblings live here, so it's a blessing to have like my cousins here right here. Say hey, Tommy. Hey. But I love London a lot. Like I said, I love Shoreditch. I love the creativity. I appreciate London because one of the first places that featured us was BuzzFeed UK, UK. Like UK shows us a lot of love, and from when we said we wanted to travel, I was like, damn, Joe, we gotta come to London. We gotta go to London. And he was like, all right, I've never been, let's do it. So we are here at our service to you guys. We want to be able to service people here. As soon as we got here, we started reaching out to other creatives. I met other photographers. We want to expand because the essence of what we're doing is for you. It's for me. It's for us. Because when I do it, I feel good that I put myself all over, and then you feel good. You're like, oh, okay. So it's like, this is what we just try to keep passing it and flowing it around. We really just want to love people, and we want to receive the love that we give out. So it's been a blessing to be here. We're thankful for everybody even coming here. You know what I mean? Like, we are ecstatic. I want
Big ups to you guys.
Yes, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Seriously, on behalf of you are London to me right now. Thank you.
I'm just passing through. So.
No, it's cool.
Emo